Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we'll discuss about the use of index and match function. We have the certain data which includes the employee ID, we have the name of the employee, and we have the department in which he or she engaged, and the last one we have the status column for the employees who are eligible for bonus. We need to use the index and match function to identify the data of the first employee who is eligible for bonus. So how we can find out? We simply need to use the index and match function. We use equals to and go here in the function or formula tab to write our function, which is the index bracket open. Now it says the array, so for the array we select the column B, C and D till E, comma, then we write the second function which is match bracket open. In the match it says the lookup value, so for the lookup value we write eligible for bonus because we need to identify the employee who is eligible for bonus. So we write here inverted comma eligible for bonus, inverted comma close comma, and in the comma it gives us the another instruction which is the lookup array. So we select the column E because the eligible for bonus data is in the column E. Then we write here comma 0 bracket close comma 1 and then close the bracket. But before closing the bracket we need to make the reference constant. So we select the reference column and press F4 to make it constant. Again we go here in the reference column, press F4 to make it constant. This is how we have made the reference column, and here we get the data. Now we simply need to copy and paste the data and make some minor changes to get the name. So we change the reference of the index from B to E to C till E, and we get the name. Similarly we need to change the reference of department from C to D because the department is in D column. Now for the status we again change the reference from B to E because the status column is in the status column is in E function or E reference. Now we need to test our function. So in the 1001 employee ID we have the data which is eligible for bonus. Now if I delete the data, so we get the second employee who is eligible for bonus, which is 1004 Michael. In the index and match function we get the data of the employee who is first eligible for bonus. Now if I change the data, so we again get the employee who is first eligible for bonus. Now we can test again our function if I delete the data. So you can see here 100 or 1010 is eligible for bonus. Now if I add the data like eligible for bonus in the column, so you can see here it automatically selected the employee, the first employee who is eligible for bonus. Index match function is very easy to use, and you can see here the both functions of index and the match as well. If you face any confusion in this formula or in this video, you can write in our comment section. Thank you.